Hi there, let's read Uni the Unicorn. This book's called Easter Bunny Helper. See, there's Uni the Unicorn. Ooh, look how colorful. It was the first warm day of the year. Uni the Unicorn was visiting a friend, enjoying the breezy weather when, Uni, look! It must be springtime. Do you know what that means? What? The Easter Bunny is coming soon. Every year, the Easter Bunny secretly delivers baskets with candy, and he hides colorful eggs in the trees, behind the fence, among the flowers, all over. I love the Easter egg hunt. That sounds fun. On the way back to the land of unicorns, Uni heard a rustling sound. Hello, can I help you? My name is Uni. Oh dear, where are they? Where's what? My eggs. Have you seen them? They're very colorful. This basket was bursting and now it's empty. If they don't turn up, Easter will be ruined. Oh no, I haven't seen any eggs, but can I help you search? Easter Bunny. Yep, that's me all right. I'm supposed to be hiding the eggs, not searching for them. I don't know the first thing about looking. The egg hunt was the little girl's favorite. Uni really wanted to help. Well, I do. Let's split up. You search that way. I'll go this way. Thanks, Uni. I'll meet you back here. Uni looked around, wondering where to begin. Now, where did the little girl say she finds the eggs? That's right, in trees. Uni hurried to collect an egg. You see that egg up there? But, oh, it's a spring cherry blossom. Ha ha, pretty, but not an egg. Maybe they are behind the fence. Uni took a peek. A lovely sign of spring. Chirp, chirp, but not an egg. I know, the little girl said she sometimes finds the eggs among the flowers. Uni searched the flower bed, but it's only a fuzzy yellow bumblebee. I've looked in all the usual places, but I can't find your eggs. Me either, but I did find a magical place called a grocery store. Maybe I can use these. The eggs were plain and white. They were nothing like the bright spring colors Uni had seen all day. Then Uni had an idea. Oh, wow, Uni, these eggs are perfect now. There's just one thing left to do. You are a great helper, Uni. And that was called Easter Bunny Helper. If you enjoyed that, make sure you check out my Easter playlist. There's lots of good books in that. All right, we'll see you next time here on Stories with Grandma.